Okay, taking a look at one of hundreds of pictures I got, this was a particularly good day for such observations. Make sure your device is in portrait mode, just works better recording this app. But this is one of many pictures I took that day. This is like mid-October. And this isn't right. Notice all the shapes and faces and whatnot, but whatever, we'll get to that. But notice the vanishing point. Everything, well, you get the idea. Everything vanishes towards the sun. I'm looking northwest slightly. The sun's obviously over there. And it's a repeating pattern that pushes through the sky, leaves a residual trail in the form of clouds, and it's got to be a spiritual force that produces effects like this. It leaves an imprint of its body in our world. So upside down, awfully flat, huh? Always a straight blanket. I do believe the sky curves, but above the clouds, and the clouds stay above a flat plane. Yes, this is just a picture, not manipulated, no filters, no nothing. Picture taken with my phone. Notice these lines, and they're pushing through. Here goes Michio Kaku's string theory. All right. Now, what do you think happens when we mirror it? Now, if anybody could explain to me how this could be anywhere remotely possible for that picture to hold half the symmetry of this. How could it possibly? This is reality going bye-bye. Okay? I would love you shit talkers to give this an attempt. Because for someone to Photoshop this would be ingenious. B, no. This is the reality. This is why they spray the skies. This is why they hide the nature of our world. Okay? It is what it is. And all the faces and shapes and shit you're seeing in between is there. Within the cross sections exists the spectrum of life and entities. And I have a squeaky stylus. I swear it's just the stylus. How could the clouds hold this symmetry? Remember, this is one picture that's mirrored, so the picture originally has to hold half of the symmetry. Okay? This is one of hundreds of pictures I have, and video, and documentation. And when I do get a new phone, in the next couple of days here, I'll be able to edit a plethora, a body of work that will make everything questionable to everybody. Huh? How is this possible, people? Step up. Bring on the best trolls. Alright, just to reiterate, now do you see in the original picture how this holds half of the symmetry for all that? You know, if you're good with that and want to chalk this up to random wind and cloud vapor and water vapor, you go right ahead. That's fine by me.